Hey, what's happening, everybody? I got all kinds of stuff going on here at the flip house. We're got Snake back. She's nestled up in there in her little spot. I'm about to get rid of her soon because I'm going to be insulating and drywalling, and
she ain't gonna be around for that.
But I got a back door installed. I didn't do any filming on this stuff. It was such a pain. I had to reframe the wall and put a header in. There was no header. Had to raise the floor and level it. I mean, it was a
nightmare.
But it's in. It's tight. Looks good. Right now, I'm working on a window. I took the window out to put the front door in, as you may recall from another video. And that window, I'm going to replace a smaller window on the side of the house there. That'll be in the living room, dining room area. I'm going to put it in this spot, so I'll show you here. This small window right here is the one that's coming out, and down here I got my jack studs in there. I'm going to run me a board across there, and then I'm going to be cutting it out, and the window's outside, so I'll be putting it in. So
Hit me with a subscribe if you want. Like the video if you like it. And I'll get started.
Alright, so this is the area I'm working in. If you're ever working on an older house, got all this full dimensional lumber, you want to make sure that you save some when you tear it out. Save as much as you can, because there's things like this that come up and you're going to need it. And you can reuse this stuff for different things. Like that board right there was like 12 or 14 feet long. It's a long board. I saved that. I saved another one just like it. And I'm going to use it on this piece right here. So it's always a good idea. You can make use of this stuff. Oh. See if it fits. Oh, life got to love.
It's a thing of beauty.
Boom! These are old window weights. This is an old window weight. That's a 4 pound. Back in the old days, these windows, they used to, you can see, you can see right there, that's a pulley. And those weights were on ropes, and they were connected to the sashes. There's 2 of them in there. It's really hard for me to even see. So there were 2 of them in there. One for the top sash, one for the bottom sash, and the ropes would go around, connect to the sash, and then the weight, when you lift the window, the weight would fall down, and that would hold the window up. So that's what those were used for, and all these older windows have them. And when you put these replacement windows in, what you do is you just hit this thing, and the other side, it kind of backs it up a little bit, gets it out of your way so you can slide your new windows in, and then the weights, you cut the ropes and they fall down in here like so. They fall down into the cavity that they were built in. That one's already been taken out. And you know, they just stay there until somebody like me comes along and wants to remodel the house, and you know, take them out or whatever. So I'm going to if I can't cut this down there, I'm going to take that window out. there you have it. There you go. Got that window in. It was a little bit more problematic than I thought it was going to be, but overall, piece of cake. That's how you take a small window out and replace it with a bigger window. Anyway, I am about done today. I'm going to head home, back to my house, and get me something to eat and a nice cold sweet tea. Thanks for watching. We'll see you later. Bye bye.